然后你忘了比较的，包括声部。然后呢，要不给推过来就可以了吗？让这个推给你。我让你忘记了。开始了。Let's get started. Are ready? So most of you are ready? Come here a little bit. Okay, I'm going to move a little bit the camera to you. Everything is okay? Everything? Okay, guys. Good afternoon from Shenzhen, China. So, me, Juan from USA, and Marceli from Suffix. Let me check the. Okay, give me a sec. Second. Okay, perfect. Okay, today we have like 2 topics, and the last one is gonna be QE2. Okay, first topic we're gonna introduce 2010 to 2020 MacBook logic board configuration. So for T1&T2 models. The second thing we're gonna explain to you guys how to unlock 2018 to 2020 the MacBook logic board EFI PIN lock, activation lock, for T2 model. We're gonna explain it for T2 and T1 model as well, and also for all the models from 2010 to 2020.
No, 2000. Oh yeah.
For any models which is
only the M1. Only
before
without the
2020, right?
not including the M1. M1 is
M1 is different.
Yeah.
So I mean until T2.
yeah before
Old generation T1 and also T2. This is what we're gonna explain.
and before the old model.
All models, the old generation.
So generation.
So exclude. So the M1 is not included. So M1 we already explained last time and also on Facebook as well. So this time is only until 2020, until T2 model for unlocking. We're gonna explain to you guys for EFI, for pin lock, for activation lock, and also for the for Google as well. Okay, let's get started, Master Liu. Your turn.
Okay. So the last one is we are talking about the question QE time.
Yeah, the QE time.
Yeah,
Okay.
The last one is QE time.
So anything, you can leave your comments in the comment area so we can get back to you guys as soon as we finish the first two topics. Okay.
Yeah. So now we are talking about how to use the 2010 to 2020 to talking about the MacBook configuration. Okay, configuration. So okay, that's this camera. Two thousand and ten to 2020. Okay, that's this camera. And okay, 2010 to 2012. Okay, 2012. We have the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro motherboard configuration is which one? CPU and PCH. Okay, PCH. And the next one about which one? Got the SMC. Okay, SMC. And here the SSD. Okay, you can remove the SSD and remove the RAM, memory card, and memory card. SMC. Okay, PCH and the CPU is all part. All part. And 2013. Okay, from this year, 17. Okay, 17. This model here the only CPU with 30-inch. MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, 30-inch. Only CPU. PCH inside the CPU. Okay, PCH inside the CPU. And now it's only CPU, PCH together inside the CPU. Okay, CPU. And then SMC. Okay, SMC. And from the 2016 to 2017 is a T1 model. T1 model, the motherboard, SMC, T1 chip, and SSD, RAM, soldering in motherboard. Okay, soldering in motherboard. So this was before is 2013, 2015. The RAM and the memory and the SSD you can replace, you can remove. But from the 2016, this chip is a storage in motherboard. Okay, so it's a different. And the T2 model, 2018 to 2020, it is a T2 model. Also have motherboard, CPU, and T2 SSD, the NAND, and RAM, memory, sorry, in motherboard. So this motherboard is a different year. The atomic this one, CPU and PCH is all part. From 2013, Pro 7-inch only CPU. Okay, only CPU and storing in motherboard is SMC. 2016, 2017 is the T1 model. T1 model is SMC, T1 SSD, and the RAM storing in motherboard and CPU. Okay, so these are different. And the T2 model, only CPU, T2 NAND, and RAM. So now I use the motherboard. You can see 1, 2, 3, 3 generation. Different motherboard. Here, okay, here. This one, okay, change this camera. Here, this one. Old model 2010 to 2012 is a CPU and the PCH is all part. Okay, all part. And this is a GPU graphics card. Okay, graphics card. But from the 2013, okay, MacBook Air and MacBook Pro can use the other motherboard. This T1, I can use the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. Let's see the motherboard. And the MacBook. 2013. Here. MacBook Air 2013. This one. From this year is this is a PCH, this is a CPU. Okay, together inside the CPU. Together inside the CPU. Okay, and this MacBook Pro 2012. Later is a CPU, PCH is all part. Okay, CPU and PCH all parts. So this one also is a T1 model. T1 model. Okay, CPU, memory. In the other side, also have the NAND chip. Okay, NAND chip. This one. So last one is about T2. T2 model different the T1 model. Okay, you can see T2 model. Which one is different? You can compare. Okay, you can see together. You can see compare T1 and T2 motherboard. And the different. And see this T1 model. Okay, A1706. This A1989. Which one different? T1 model T have the SMC. This one SMC. T2 model SMC inside the T2. And the T1 model T have the NAND SSD control tray here. This one. But the T2 model, you can see no NAND control tray. NAND control tray inside the T2. Okay, inside the T2. And the T1, here the T1 tray here. T1 in the T2 model also inside the T2. Okay, inside the T2. So the other is the RAM and this one. NAND. See, just different is NAND control tray inside the T2. SMC inside the T2. T1 inside the T2. Okay, remember. So this motherboard T1, T2 is different. Okay, the other socket, 1 watt to 10 watt also different. Okay, also different. So this is about the T1 model and the T2 model. Okay, and the T1, T2. So now this one is about the configuration from the 2010 to 2020. Okay, 20 to configuration. Now we are talking about how to unload the EFI and the pin lock. Okay, EFI and the pin lock. So now let's change the camera. Configuration. Finish. Okay, this one. CPU or part. This one. From this year, 30-inch only CPU. PCH inside the CPU. Okay, T1 model, tier the T1 chip. Okay, tier the T1 chip. And the SSD and the RAM stored in motherboard. T2 model, T1 inside the T2. Okay, so this is a configuration from the 2010 to 2020. So the how to, now let's talk about the how to unlock the EFI and the PIN lock. Okay, 2010 to 2017, this year to this year, you have the 7, you have the EFI and the PIN lock and the MDM lock. Okay, this year. So you can, it's all the lock. This one in the files. Okay. So you can write the BIOS data. Okay, you write the BIOS data to unlock the EFI, PIN lock, and the MDM. Rewrite. Write the BIOS data. Okay, write the BIOS data. So before I tell you from the 2013, from this year, the BIOS data from the 2013 this year, the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro, all the model. This one, you have the ME. Then you have the ME from this year, ME. So one side in the PCH, other side in the BIOS. Okay, so you want to read the BIOS data, you must change the ME. Okay, change the ME. Okay, so remember, from 2013, this year. Okay, this year. The after before 2010 to 2012, you can remove the BIOS chip from the slim motherboard. But from 2013, you must write the ME data. Okay, ME. So you can use the UBox tool to write the ME. You can use the UBox.
So it's only for 2013, or it's only for 2013, or for all those models after 2013?
Yes. Before 2010 to 2012, you can, for example, you can remove the BIOS chip from the other module, from the same module. And from the 2013, the ME is a different, so you must change the ME. Okay, ME you didn't change. Display is a very slow. Okay, very slow to display, and into the system also very slow. So this one, EFI, PIN lock, and MDM, all the inside the BIOS data into the data. So now you can see this video, how to unlock the EFI and the PIN lock from the 2010 to 2017. See this video. Which one? Okay. This one. Oh yeah.
This one, right?
Yes. Okay, you can see here have the EFI lock. Okay, this is A1707 2016. So now you tell the button case, then it connect the battery. Oh, okay, this is a T2. Sorry, not this one. Not this one. This is a T2. Okay, also the T2 model. T2 model, you can use the I find the no at the not this way. So which I find a video. This one. Oh, this is a MDM lock. Different. MDM lock. Also, you can do about this or T2 model. We're the moment you're talking about the T2, how to enter. These are close the EG to ID. Use the U-Bus to bypass the graphics card. They bypass the graphics card. Okay, we're the moment you're talking about. But you understand how to unlock the EFI and the pin lock. EFI and
the camera, right?
just need to use the U-Bus to
BIOS data.
yeah, the BIOS data. So okay, 2010 to 2017 is easy, very easy for the remote and MDM lock. Yeah. Translate, ya voy a tomar una caja de T2.
Sí, pues bueno, habla un poco, lo voy a explicar un poco en español, ¿vale? De 2000, casi todos los modelos, antes de 2018, antes de T2, si usted sabe de 2018 a 2020, el chip, no, aquí, o podemos hacer, bueno, aquí. Por ejemplo, desde 2010 o antes, hasta 2017, hasta T1, T1, right? T1.
Yes.
Se puede desbloquear o quitar EFI o PIN o MDM. Solamente tú puedes reprogramar el chip, BIOS chip, el chip de BIOS. Así se puede quitar el lock, por ejemplo, PIN, MDM, etc. Entonces, desde 2018, por ejemplo, T2, el chip T2. T2, entonces tienes que reemplazar T2, no solamente o bypass. O si quieres quitar 100%, tienes que quitar o reemplazar el chip T2. Tienes que asegurar el T2 que tú vas a reemplazar es un T2 sin Activation Lock. Entonces, en resumen, todos los modelos hasta T1 se puede quitar el lock o desbloquear solamente por reprogramar el chip BIOS chip. Punto. ¿Vale? Puedes sacar el chip BIOS chip y reprogramar, ya está. Puedes quitar Google, puedes quitar MDM, puedes quitar el PIN o EFI, etc. Es lo que yo quería explicar y repetir. Desde T2, con nuevo chip de seguridad es más complicado. Tienes que reemplazar el T2, no solamente reprogramar, tienes que reemplazar, swap, el chip T2, ¿vale? Ok, Master Liu, te toca a ti.
Yes. So this is about the 2010 to 2017 to unlock the EFI and the pin lock. EFI and the pin lock. So after this one, you just need to write the BIOS data. Okay, use the U-Bus 2 because the ME 2013 one side in the PCH and the other side in the BIOS chip. So you only read the BIOS data, you must change the ME. Okay, change the ME. Or you use the U-Bus 2, you can change the ME. Okay, change the ME. So this one is easy to easy to unlock the EFI and the pin lock. Okay, and the pin lock, and also have the MDM lock. MDM lock. Okay, MDM lock. So the next one we are talking about the next one we are talking about the T1&T2 model. Okay, T2 model. T2 model. T2 model It's a different T1 and before the model. Okay, so now how to remove the EFI and the pin lock in the T2 model. Okay, T2 model. So now we are talking about the T2 model. Wait, T2.
Okay, ahora vamos a explicar P2.
Yes, the T2 model. They also have the EFI and the pin lock and the MDM and the activation lock and the Google lock. Okay, Google. So now I talk about the T2 model. Two thousand 2020, T2 model. T2 model. Here the one also have the EFR pin lock, pin code lock, okay, pin code lock, and MDM. Okay, and also have the Google lock,
EFI PIN code MDM.
Google lock, and EFI and pin lock and MDM lock, and also have the activation lock.
Like 5 different locks. And it's like a Google, EFI, PIN code, MDM, and activation lock.
Yes. For this one, 1, 2, 4, 1. Okay, one lock. For from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 lock, you can use the U-box 2.
Okay, from 1 to 3, 4, you can use U-box 2.
For the activation lock, you must replace.
We have to replace
T2 chip.
the T2 chip.
Yes, T2 chip.
Okay.
Or you
Got
can
it.
bypass. Okay, replace it. Or replace T2 chip is a remove activation lock. But the bypass only when you install when you restore the lock is a callback. Okay, but the activation lock you replace the T2 chip is a remove. So it's a different. Okay, remove all the bypass. Remove, you must replace the T2 chip. Okay, replace the T2 chip. Well, you only bypass, you can use the serial number. Okay, serial number to bypass. Okay, so use the U-box 2, you can unlock the Google lock, EFI lock, and the pin lock, and the MDM lock. Okay, so now which one? So EFI and pin lock. You can see in this video. Use the U-box 2 to unlock the EFI and the pin lock. Okay, see this one video. Video. In the video. Okay, yes, this one first. Yeah, this is a T2 model. T2 model A1990 have the EFI lock. EFI lock. Now you disconnect the battery. Okay, disconnect battery. Then remove the T2 ROM. Okay, T2 ROM. Okay, use the U-box 2 to remove the T2 ROM data. Okay, select the T2 ROM data. Then you select the T2 ROM. Okay, auto program. You can see this is a T2 ROM data and number. Then you click the OK, and you select the auto program. Okay. When the T2 is auto program is finished, then you solder back the T2 ROM in motherboard. Okay, solder in motherboard. And this one solder back in motherboard. Okay. So after sort of connect to the battery, and the battery, then you use the odd method, okay, to restore. Because when you write the T2 ROM data, T must automatically into the DFU mode. So into the DFU mode, you must use the other method to restore, okay, to restore. And restore success. Then you clean the power button. Okay, you can see it's the EFI lock is removed. Okay, EFI lock is removed. EFI lock is the EFI not EFI lock. Taken into the recovery mode to install the OS system. Okay, install the OS system. Now install the OS system. So the EFI and the pin lock. And the pin lock, you can use the U-Box to write the T2 ROM data. Then use the other method to restore the T2 ROM. Okay, restore the T2 ROM. Then install the OS system. Okay, OS system. So now install OS system is finished. Okay, finished. Then activate the OS system. So now it's finished. Okay, so this is about the T2 model. Unlock the EFI and the pin lock. Then you see the next one video.
Is a necessary repair tool for MacBook repairs.
Oh, okay, this one.
Mac EFI and
Okay. You can see this video. They use this one. Okay, this one. So how to use the U-Box to remove the MDM lock. These are different, okay? These are MDM lock. See, also rather here. Open, then you see the motherboard. You have the remove MDM lock. These are MDM lock. Okay, MDM lock. Here, this one. So now you use the U-Box to remove the MDM lock. Then remove the EFI lock and the pin lock. Okay, tell the button case. Then you write the T2 ROM. Same. The repair method is same. Okay, repair method same. Tell the T2 ROM. Okay, then you use the U-Box to write the T2 ROM data. Okay, T2 ROM data. Also, you can use the U-Box to unlock the Google lock. Google lock. Send the repair method is the same. Send the remove the MDM lock and the EFI lock, pin lock. Okay, pin lock. So this one. Okay. Okay. Then tell the ROM chip. Solder bed the ROM chip. Yeah, solder bed the ROM chip. So this is about the how to unlock the pin lock, EFI lock, and the Google lock. Okay, Google lock. You see. Then you must into the use the other letter to mount other methods to restore. Okay. Then connect the Wi-Fi. Okay. Then install the OS system. So this is about the T2 and before the older model to unlock the EFI and the pin lock and use the video box tool to remove the lock. And also you can use the U-box tool to bypass the graphics card. EG T1&T2. Okay, so this one about the EFI and the pin lock. You can translate.
Sí, vamos a explicar un poco en español. Es muy fácil. Por ejemplo, para T2, desde 2018 a 2020, el nuevo chip de seguridad es T2. T2 es más integrado, es más avanzado. Con este vamos a... Yo creo que... Ok, es mejor. Con esta herramienta, U-Boss 2, con esta herramienta, ¿qué es lo que podemos hacer? Lo que hemos visto aquí... ¿Dónde está mi...? Yo creo... Mira aquí. Se puede quitar Google, EFI, PIN code y también MDM, ¿vale? Se puede quitar 1, 2, 3, 4. Los 4 lock. Pero Activation Lock here, aquí no se puede. Pero todos los modelos antes de T2, antes de 2018, hasta T1, se puede quitar todo los lock, ¿vale? No sé cómo se dice en español, lock cantado, no sé cómo se dice en español, pero le decimos lock, ¿vale? Se puede desbloquear todo, pero hasta T2. T2 para, ¿cómo se llama? Activation Lock no se puede. Eso no se puede. Pero otros 4 se puede quitar, ¿vale? Eso es lo que yo quería explicarles a ustedes. Por ejemplo, la herramienta que nosotros tenemos aquí, por ejemplo, U-Boss 2. U-Boss 2 es solamente como lo hemos visto en el video, es que sacamos el ROM, el chip ROM, y lo colocamos aquí. No sé cómo se... Bueno. Aquí está el, ¿cómo se llama? El socket. Y nosotros podemos sacar el chip y colocar aquí y reprogramar con esta máquina, con esta maquinita, esta herramienta. Y para reprogramar ROM y solucionar el problema, ¿vale? Y también aquí tenemos esto para agregar el número de serial, ¿vale? Esta herramienta se puede solucionar un problema desde 2008. Por ejemplo, este 2008, 2011 a 2014 y 2015 a 2017 es para T1 y este para 2018 para 2020, puse T2 y para agregar serial number y la maquinita, ¿vale? Ya está. It's Master Liu, your turn.
Yes. So this is about the okay, our first one. So about the configuration 2010-2012. He used the CPU and the PCH, and also you can replay the BIOS data because the 2010-2012 he didn't have the ME, the mean. But from the 2013 he have the ME. Okay, inside the one side in the PCH, the other side in the BIOS. Okay, in the BIOS. So you must after you want to remove the activation lock or remove the EFI and the pin lock, you must change the ME.
Have you changed the ME?
Yes. So you use the U-Box 2. You can change because the old...
you mean like a program?
Yes, see, program.
Program like a rewrite. So
Yeah, rewrite. Program.
It's only program. It's not a. It's not replace. It's like program.
Yeah, you can the program the ME. So the different 2010 2012 and the T2 model. Okay, T2 model, you have the Google lock, EFI lock, and pin lock, and the MDM lock. Also have the activation lock. Okay, activation lock. So you use the U-Box 2. You can the method is okay, remove the Google lock, EFI lock, pin lock, and the MDM lock. For the activation lock, you must replace the T2 chip. Also, for example, you only replace the T2 chip, but maybe the fingerprint not working, right? So you can use bring the fingerprint into here. This is a T2 chip. You see, this is a T2 chip here.
No, it's okay. It's hard to. It's okay. It's hard to like focus because it's hard to focus. Maybe.
Oh, this is a
So
T2 chip.
if you replace T2, if you want the fingerprints,
Touch ID not working.
if you want, but if they want them working, but they have to replace the fingerprints, right? Okay.
Yes, fingerprint together.
Touch ID.
And the touch ID can work. So the T2 model is different before the model. Before the T1 and the old model, you only to write the BIOS data, program the BIOS data. Okay. For the T2 model, you want to remove the activation lock, you must remove replace the T2 chip. Or you want to the touch ID working, you must replace the touch ID together.
So it's better like if you remove T2, it's better to have the fingerprint together. So in that case, the fingerprint or touch ID will be working, right?
Only the touch ID not working. The other function is normal.
Okay.
Yes. All the function because the display and the power button, okay, and all the function and the taskbar function.
Because if you replace the T2, the fingerprint cannot be recognized, and
not recognize the finger, not recognize the touch.
It's like iPhone 7 or iPhone 8. So from that they have the T2 and also the fingerprint has to be like
CPU. And like the CPU. T2 like the iPhone 7 or iPhone 8 CPU. So when you replace the CPU, you must replace the fingerprint, then touch ID taken. Yes, in the iPhone. So this is about the 2010 2020 T1, yes, T1, T2, and before the old model. The configuration and how to unlock the EFI PIN lock and the activation lock. I also use the U-Box 2. You can bypass the graphics card, GPU. For the 15-inch, you have the MacBook Pro 15-inch. You have the GPU, the graphics card. Sometimes the GPU get damaged. You can use the U-Box 2 to program the BIOS data. Then you can close the graphics card. You just use the IG. Use IG is a PCH controller display. PCH controller display. So EG to IG. EG is the graphics card controller display. But now you use the U-Box 2 to program the bus data, then EG to IG. So now just a PCH controller display.
It's just like a bypass, right?
Yeah, then the bypass the graphics card, EG to IG. So the U-Box 2 also you can use to program the 2010 or 2008. I also have the Mac Mini, MacBook, and the iMac. The iMac. All the data inside the U-Box 2. The iMac, Mac Mini, and
MacBook Pro as well, right?
MacBook Air. All the MacBook series, the data inside here. Okay. So this is about the
for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac, Mac Pro. This for
Mac Mini.
So until like 2020, right?
Yes. 2008.
Until T2, until Delos T2.
Yes.
Okay.
M1.
For M1s can be right in the
M1 ROM.
M1 ROM.
Yes.
For fixing what problem can we fix for one room?
Only 5 voltage.
Other 5 voltage, so it doesn't boost.
No, on some has no display.
No display, or just reprogram the for the ROM. Probably it's gonna be working, right? Okay.
Yes. For the no working and no display and no boost, you can use the U-boot to write this one.
So what's the questions we have here?
So now have any question, you can ask me about the MacBook motherboard. Okay, motherboard and how to repair this one. Can you also ask me? Okay. Any question?
I might say no.
No.
I might say no audience now.
You very let 1 minute, 2 minutes.
No problem.
Have any question? And you can ask me. And also this one, the U-boot 2, the product from my company. Okay, and also you can buy from my company. You can see all the data inside here.
This is for BIOS, for writing, for reprogram the BIOS, for the Pro, as we explained here, for all the logs from 2010 to 2017. You can fixing all the you can unlock all the the motherboard by using only this tool until T1 2017.
Yes.
Only by this tool. Okay, you just remove the ROM and you rewrite the reprogram the BIOS data, then the problem will be fixed. So for T2, so mainly it's from 2018 to 2020. What you can remove is Google, EFI, PIN code, and also the MDM management log. For activation log, you have to replace. If you want to remove the log 100%, it's like for rest of your life. So you have to replace T2. You have to remove it and replace, not just remove. You have to replace it.
Yes.
And if you want the MacBook has fingerprints, then you have to change the fingerprint as well. So like together. You replace the T2 and also the fingerprint, so that the fingerprint can be working. So this is what I learned for today.
Yes. So this truth is useful to repair the MacBook older model, because he can program the BIOS data. Okay, program the BIOS data. Or sometimes for the motherboard, the power on will not display, or sometimes the power fire. Also, you can program use the U-boot to program. Okay, power fire, power down, and restart. Okay, the current restart, and sometimes you can use this one to unlock the EFI PIN lock and other lock. Okay, also you can use this one to repair the motherboard. From the 2008 to 2020, okay, T1, T2, M1, and also before the model. All the model you can use these tools. Okay, so all the data inside here, okay, inside here. So these are useful for the MacBook repair. The MacBook repair. And also this one is my design product. So maybe you can ask me to find. Also, you can buy it in the market. Okay, in the market. So, have you any question about the MacBook motherboard? Some no display, no power on, and power fire. Also, you can ask me. Okay, ask me to talk about the motherboard